Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Introducing Jinx, and today I will be doing this rainbow look inspired by Lance Aguas, and this is, let me raise my brightness up because I'm trying to save battery. This is the look that he created, your girl recreated, and I will be announcing the giveaway winner at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. Oh girl. If y'all want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. And if you can't tell, I'm wearing this really amazing top that I created myself for the summertime and for Pride. So if you guys are interested in getting yourself a top, let me know, DM me. We are back in my dad's house and I'm going to be doing my rainbow look. My first time doing this on camera. I'm using the James Charles palette for the second time on camera. So I hope you guys will enjoy this tutorial. Let me drink some of my tea first. So with this angled brush, I'm gonna go into this red shade right here, and that right in the inner corners. So I want to bring that red up towards the brow area because you want this to kind of be a messy, kind of painted look. I'm going to take a clean blending brush and kind of just sweep it forward and sweep it backward as well. So this is diffusing that red. So now I want it to be more pigmented on the inner corner, so I'm going to tap in some more. Guys, I'm like raspy voice over here. I have both eyes with the red. Second color, which is the orange from the James Charles palette. I'm debating whether I want to go into the lighter one or the deeper one. I feel like going into the lighter one. Now right on top of that red, I'm going to pat 518 in. Kind of blending out that red and that orange together. And I also want to bring that towards my brow bone as well, because you want that gradient of the rainbow to also be towards the brow area. I don't know how I'm feeling about it so far. It's a little bit out of my comfort zone. Doing the same thing that I did to that eye to this eye. Packing that orange on and going in a circular motions, bringing it outward, inward, really just blending that into the red. Kind of see something going on now. Trust the process, guys. It's gonna look crazy at first. Working with a lot of color, you always want to go back and forth, keeping different brushes for different colors so that you don't mix it up. You know, I blended out the orange to my liking. I'm gonna add some more of the red. Pop that in the inner corner. You want to do that to the other eye as well. For orange shade, which is called Rusted, flat brush. I'm just gonna take it in between where I put the red and the orange, just to give it a little more like of a blending shade between the two. Going in a little circular motion, focusing more on the lid. This side, nice little circular motion going outward. So we don't want to take away the intensity of the red. We're gonna go into yellow, and I love to use the Sephora Blockbuster palette to use its yellow. These are like one of my favorite yellows. Now I'm going to use this brush from Real Techniques, this light yellow in between the orange. I'm moving it forward next to the orange, and then when I get towards the crease, I'm moving it forward. Gotta play with the intensity, of course. Some pigments may not be as pigmented as others. James Charles palette has a yellow as well. I might just dig into that one because this one is not picking up that well. I'm gonna go into this James Charles yellow, placing it right on top of where we put that first yellow. And this is super pigmented, more pigmented than my Sephora collection one. As y'all can see, I said before, this is really repetitive, just digging back into the other orange, circular motion, blending out that yellow into the orange. The other side, bringing back this orange shade, bringing that intensity to our own liking. Making sure you don't forget what brushes you're using for what. That's like the most important. It is time to go into, I believe it's green now. This green right here, this nice little lime green. And I'm gonna use a flat brush to pack this one on because I ran out of brushes. I'm gonna place that on top of where we put that yellow. Working it towards the crease. This is where I would say to go back into the yellow and start adding some more of that pigment, because you do not want to lose your intensity, baby. So going back into the James Charles yellow, I'm gonna tap that right here to bring it back to life, because that green is trying to play it. Like, excuse me honey, I'm here for pigment. How are you? Packing on that green right next to that yellow, working it forward. This is the part where you want to go back into the yellow and just dab it here, because that green always is trying to play somebody. Like, I'm gonna go into the blue. Feel very drag-ish right now. It's not my team, but you know, we're gonna keep on going with that pretty shimmery blue. Let's hope that works. White eyeshadow on top of this blue, so that it can make it much lighter, that it'll lighten up this green. Dig into the final shade, which is going to be this pretty purple. Supposed to be like very blown out. So what we gonna do, we gonna blow it out, honey. It is called Single. Is you single? Because I'm single. I'm just gonna tap it in. Instead of buffing it in, I'm gonna tap it in, because I really want to get that pigment, and I know that's how James Charles does it. So you know what? We gonna follow him. Also bringing it outward to get a more smoked out effect. We're gonna do that to the other eye. Tapping it into place, because we learned from Lil Jinxie over here. We're not gonna go in circular motions with this palette. We have to tap it, because that's the way we get the pigment. And keeping your eyes open really helps you see what the eyeshadow looks like when you open your eyes. And again, patting it downward a little bit, because we want it to be messy. Kind of like Harley Quinn's kind of makeup. Now, if you're like me and have a scar on one of your eyes, you have to be a little more pigmented to tap that in. Somewhat feeling this or whatever, I'm gonna like wipe off the powder, the translucent powder, and then start doing under eye eyeshadow. Bring that purple eyeshadow underneath your waterline. So that's what I'm doing. That's what I kind of did a little bit off camera, just to kind of save time, because I know this might be a long video. Kind of bringing it downward a little bit, doing that like messy but cloudy kind of eyeshadow. Add the white from the James Charles palette to this purple on the end, because I want it to be more lighter. And bringing that white on the other side to lighten up our purple. I'm gonna take a flat brush and go into that blue again, that shimmery blue, because this blue right now is not giving me life right now. I need to give me ultimate life. Like between where we put the purple and the green, and kind of bring it upward towards the crease a little bit, because I want there to be a very nice amount of blue in this eyeshadow. I don't want to lose my green, so again, I'm going back into my green. And remember, we're about to do this underneath the eyes, so keep all your brushes on deck. I'm gonna dip back into the yellow, so I'm gonna bring it underneath the eyes. I'm bringing it downward, just tapping it in the center of the face. I need the blue to be a statement as well, so that's why I kind of been mixing up the blues and kind of figuring it out. To that shimmery blue and back into that white, bring it under my eyes, doing it to the other eye as well. Bring it towards the yellow again, a bit more of the purple and that white, purple and light white, and we'll run this through here as well. So this is like a pretty messy kind of rainbow look. Alright, so I kind of played with the intensity a bit, and this is what I came up with. I'm gonna add some little like hearts and stuff around it to make it look a little more cuter. Flat angled brow brush. I just put concealer around my face, create little heart shapes. So I take a little bit of my concealer, I go ahead and I create a little heart. Even though it's supposed to be little and huge hearts, because I would suggest to use something smaller. Orange on top of one of the hearts that I created. Orange to give it some definition, you feel? Darker purple here and give it some definition. Kind of want this one to be blue. Navy blue into this one. Got some hearts. They're pretty big, but hey, at least you can see them. Right to the other side. The other side is gonna get a nice purple one right here, a nice orange one right here, and a nice green one right there. So that's a good way to like map it out. What else I said this one's gonna be orange, right? So we're going into the nice light orange shade, which is, I think it was 515, right? That's all. I'm gonna go into the lime green, because I need a lime green heart. Like, where you been at? Lime green, baby. Now I'm gonna go into a darker green to intensify it. I'm gonna bronze up this face, highlight this face, throw on some lashes, and we'll see what else I do. Apply my lashes, but I want to add like a little bit extra, a little something. Every year I always do like glitter, like a glitter rainbow crease. I would do that today, but I'm really loving the way this is coming out. So I'm going to do a little bit of glitter on the face. Light blue, like sky blue glitter. A little bit of glue on the back of my tweezers. That glue down, and then with the back of my tweezer, I'm picking up the glitter, placing it down as well. The orange one, that glue again, placing it down, kind of sloppy. I'm grabbing some glitter with the back of that tweezer, and I'm applying it to the other orange little heart. Grabbing the glitter, applying the glitter. Close up the glitters that I stopped using, because you know the moment you don't close your glitter, that's the moment it's everywhere. I don't have a purple glitter, unfortunately. I do have it in my house, but again, I'm not in my crib. I was gonna go into lime green, so we're going into this lime green. Taking that glitter, pressing it in. And just like that, we've got some glitter hearts on the face. Favorite lashes of all time, which is the TJ Maxx Cosmania Lashes for Days. In a TJ Maxx, cop like 2 or 3, because you know they're so affordable and they're so pretty, and they come with glue, and the glue is popping. You don't have to use the glue for these lashes, you know. I wish there was like a full size. I was trying to look for one, but you know, it is what I eat. Guys, the reason why I don't be doing my lashes on camera is because I need 2 hands, and I need to be all up in my face, or it's not gonna go up. Let me just come back to y'all with lashes done. My favorite Becca highlights in the inner corner of my eyes to give my eyes a little bit of a pop. Favorite lippies, which are from Becca as well. Lipstick is in the shade 2. This is like a perfect nude if you're looking for nude, creamy, not, you know, drying products. Buy my favorite gloss from Becca, you know, the perfect lip combo, okay? Combo, not combo. In the shade Rose Gold. It was on sale, y'all. It was like one of our weekly wows at Sephora, so you know it was real. So, for those of you who know, I do have a giveaway that I had y'all enter in. It was this video, the Fenty Body Lock. Comment below guessing who is going to be in my next video. This is the website called Random Comment Picker. Randomly pick winner or pick the most recent comment. No, we're gonna randomly pick winner. Law it said it's gonna be your mama. So Lloyds, I'm going to contact you and let you know that you're the winner. You won all 250 items in the basket of goodies. Okay, we'll be contacting you if you do not reach back to me by, let me see, July 10. I will be selecting a new winner. Just saying, y'all. We gotta keep it going. I just want to say happy Pride to all of you guys. If you don't know, your girl is bisexual. So if you fuck with me, fuck with me. If you don't, peace. Thank y'all for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoy makeup tutorials. Like I said, I'm gonna be hitting you guys with some more makeup tutorials more often because I feel like a little more confident or whatever. I feel like, you know, I could bring you some looks. It's introducing Jinx, and I'm up and I'm out like deuces. And remember, love is infinite. It just keeps on going.